Today we're going to be making some Einkorn flour wraps that are delicious and soft. What are we going to use? Just 4 ingredients.
Butter, hot water,
cold water, and salt. So some flour, some butter, water, and salt. So first, we're going to start by adding 1 cup of melted butter into a large mixing bowl. Good job. Okay. Next, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. And this is just for looks. Butter is made of milk. Okay, and we're going to add 6 cups of flour. Whoa, be careful. Okay, and next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Yes. Good job. And lastly, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cold water. And now we're going to mix it up.
You're being inconsiderate. You have.
Okay, can you see it for a minute? Good job mixing. Okay, so we're just going to mix it up till it's a shaggy dough. So here's our shaggy dough. And now we're going to cover it lightly with a towel. And it's going to rest for 10 minutes. For this step, we're going to be rolling out the tortillas. So I like to roll mine out on parchment paper because, whoa, don't push the bowl off the counter. I like to roll mine out on parchment paper because then it makes it the easiest to get into the pot. So how big do we want our tortillas? That big? We're gonna cut it right. Okay, and we're going to cut a second one. Wait. Okay. Don't fall off the chair. Good job. And now we're going to get our rolling pin. Let's put this back there. And meanwhile, we have a pan preheating to medium. Okay. And now, wait. Are your hands? Do we wash your hands? We washed your hands. Yes. I like to make balls a little bit bigger than a golf ball sized. And now I'm going to roll it out.
I need the pin.
You need the pin, the pinning roll? The rolling pin.
I need the rolling pin.
You do. There's our tortilla ready to go in the pot. Right, you roll one out.
Now we're going to roll it out.
And now I'm going to lay this down on a dry pot. It doesn't have any butter or oil. And now I'm going to wait for this to puff up and it to get brown spots on the bottom. And this is going to take about a minute to a minute and a half. And forgive my handleless spatula, I couldn't find the other one in time. And that's perfect. So we're going to let that cook a little bit longer and then we're going to take it out. Okay, now that's how it looks on the other side. So we're going to take that out and put it on a plate and let it cool down. And these are much softer once they cool down for like 5 minutes. Turn that down for a minute. Nails over here struggling to roll out a tortilla. It won't work, he said. And sometimes the dough will be stickier and sometimes it will be stiffer. And the reason is the colder the water you use, the more the butter will harden and make a stiffer dough. And if you use warmer water, it will be stickier. And generally the stickier dough makes softer tortillas than the stiffer dough. So if it's too sticky, you can just put it in the fridge for a few minutes and let it harden. I think. And never forget about the ones on the stove. And so sometimes the tortilla will stick and you'll try and peel it up and it'll fold over on itself. So what I like to do is I like to hold it down here and then peel it up while holding it down. And generally that works pretty well. I don't know. Once it starts to bubble and the edges start to get pretty dry, that's when I usually like to flip it. Now Nathaniel and I are going to finish rolling and frying our tortillas, and we'll show you the finished product in a few minutes. Okay, and here is a finished wrap. They're still nice and warm, and as you can see, they're really soft and they roll up really nice. And now Nathaniel wants to try it. Now let's take a piece off the ripped one. Here you go. Is it good? High five. Thank you for helping me. Okay. We hope you enjoy these wraps and they work just as good for you as they do for us. Thank you for watching and God bless.